We're not here to know. We are here to experience. We are not here to fill these energies inside our bodies with data or matter. We are here to enjoy the open potential. You are not here to plan and be certain and accept an answer. You are here to find your own answer. You are here to dance. Anything that's not investment in the ability to dance, and that means the ability to bend when the world bends and you have to be on the cusp of that wave. When the wave hits and all the information that's coming is going to be amplified up until the last moment, and the most information is packed in the last moment before it hits. I suggest that you invest most of your time into being able to dance, amplifying your dancing skills, amplifying your bending skills, amplifying your flexibility with life, amplifying your bodily cues instead of other people giving you answers. Nobody can give you an answer. I cannot give you an answer. I'm only pointing you in the direction how you should find your own answers. I'm only pointing you how you need to listen to your own body. I'm pointing you how, if your mind is open, do not seek other people to give you answers how to close it. If your heart is open, don't fill it with food because the stomach is close to the heart. So if you feel low self-worth, don't fill your stomach to feel better. It doesn't work like that. And all the other things that I talk about in my Human Design Open Centers video, which is 2 days ago. Check that out. We are here to experience day by day. We are here to mutate. We are here to evolve. We as humanity, we've been evolving industry and technology and all these external things. But for how long we haven't evolved as like a species, as evolving new ways of sensing the world, as evolving new ways of relating to each other, new ways of nourishment or no nourishment, or new ways of energy regulation inside our bodies, or regeneration abilities, or shifting dimensions, or all these things. There is so much to this life than you've been told unless you are not curious. So please be curious and do not be free of other people being authority over you. Be free of other people telling you this is who you are. This is who you are. This is what's good about you, this is what's wrong with you. Be your own authority, listen to your bodily cues. Listen to your body's intelligence, your body's intuition, your inner guidance, your inner authority. Human design explains all this. And psychedelics give you an insight into the Gaian mind. I listen to like 6 hours of Terence McKenna lectures these days, and I finally realize everything that the Gaian mind, the Awa, has shown me, and that I'm not alone. And that the I Ching from Human Design is very, very closely tied to all this. And the conclusion is that there is no answer to any of this, guys. There is no answer. Do not seek a final answer. Do not seek anything final. Do not seek anything closing and then you're done. Nothing is ever done. Nothing is ever final. Nothing is ever just purely good or bad. Nobody can give you the final answer of who you are. And personal experience is the only, absolutely only truth that there is. When someone tells you this is like this or that is like that, This is their experience when they went there or when they didn't go there. They saw it on TV. Hollywood is lies, TV is lies, society is lies, culture is rape, mind rape. And only personal experience is the thing that is gonna fuel any choice in your life, that should fuel any choice in your life. Because when you go to a place, your karmic magnetic field is going to attract events and people and gnosis and wisdom and things and emotions that are tailored to you and your dream, especially your dream personally, specifically. So whatever someone else says, they either don't know what they're talking about or they've had a different experience at that place. And so many are so afraid to have their own opinions and have their own experience about things. It's so much easier to just allow yourself to for someone else to tell you what is happening. Just ask somebody, somebody tells you, and then you're like, now I know. Now I know. Now it's fine. No, you just inserted something in your head for 5 seconds. eyecreatelines@gmail.com, 111 111 one-on-one, human design analysis, nervous system balancing, psychotherapy, addictions, anxiety, depression, relationship advice, shamanic guidance to the Gaian mind, to Awa. If you've watched Avatar, you know who Awa is. Well, if you want to get in touch, I know how to get in touch. I am the ambassador. I'm here to translate. I'm here to mediate. All the clouds are gone. I'm gonna absorb some more of this goodness. Peace, health, abundance. eyecreatelines@gmail.com. Send me a message. I can teach you breathwork. I can teach you how to regulate your nervous system. We can do meditation. We can do psychotherapy. We can do human design analysis. We can change your life to be vibrant and bright.